Hi, my name is Nathan and welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will teach you how to hide subscribers on YouTube. It's simple and it's very easy. Just watch the video to the end and you will learn. So first of all, I'm using the Chrome browser for this. And the first thing I will do is just, let me show you the channel here. And I'll just search for youtube.com. I have to show you something first before we go to the main video. You can see we are in YouTube, right? So the next step is just click on your channel profile. So I'll just click on this C. So I'll click on your channel. You can see in this channel it shows no subscribers, and no, we don't want that. We want to hide all subscribers so nobody will know, and that's why I want to learn how to hide the subscribers on YouTube. So just click on the channel profile again. So you see YouTube Studio right here. Just click on YouTube Studio. I'll go with Chrome. So you can see right now I'm in the channel dashboard. So I'll just click on the home. So click on settings. Just have to wait for some seconds. So you can see a general channel upload default. So just click on channel. Just click on channel and basic info advanced settings. We are going to click on advanced settings. Then just scroll down, scroll. You can see here it shows subscribers count, display the number of people subscribed to my channel, and no, we don't want that. We want to hide our subscribers. So that's why we want to learn how to hide subscribers on YouTube. So you can see right now it's checked. So the best thing you will do is just uncheck it. Since you have unchecked it, then click on save. So you can see our settings is now saved and we have hide it. So let me just go back to the channel again and show you. Let me just go back to youtube.com and show you again so we can confirm it whether we have had it or not. Just click on the go. You can see right now we're back to youtube.com. So we just have to confirm it whether it's done or not. I'll just click on the channel profile again. I'll just click on the C and click on your channel, the first one, right? And wow, we can see we've already had our subscribers. Instead of showing no subscribers, you see there's nothing there, and nobody will know how many subscribers we have on our channel. You can see it's very simple and very easy. Maybe you have less subscribers on your channel. You can consider just hiding the subscribers so that nobody will think you're a small channel and nobody will think that you're just a newbie. So thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, please, so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you.